This is a Paper Wishes exclusive, Never Before Seen Dazzles. Now, that means dazzles that you may have seen in a different finish, but now we've released it in a brand new finish. So these little doodle flowers and butterflies that you see, you may have seen them in black or brown, but now we've released them in this beautiful purple mirror finish. You're not going to get it anywhere else, but in this Paper Wishes exclusive. So 1,444 dazzles right here in one kit. You can totally mix and match these colors. There are 33 of these 4" by 9" sheets, and there are 2 of these 8" by 9" sheets. So let's take a look at those. 8" by 9" sheets and some larger images on here. You have quite a bit on here. This is a brown finish with a gold foil edging. Lots and lots of words. And in fact, they've tucked some words right into the frames that you can remove. So in this one, you've got a great word that goes across like this. Oh, actually, I have it upside down. It says enjoy, and it's connected to those frames. But there are extra words that you get to remove and use them elsewhere. And so that's fun about this. I love the words connected with the frames, but there are always going to be some extra words as well. These would be great on scrapbooking pages. So you've got a sheet of brown. You've got the same, not the same, similar. You've got frames in this one too. I know it's kind of hard to see, but this one is all in white, and it's got more of those great words just built into those frames with butterflies, with birds, just absolutely beautiful. Lots of little forest kind of a look down here in the corner, dragonflies. So lots of great looks on there. Hard to see, I know, but just beautiful on those larger 2 8" by 9" sheets. And then we're going to get into these one at a time. So let me sort of scoot these together. We'll look at them one at a time, and we're going to start with these sheets, 5 of them. And they are 4" by 9" sheets. This is Mirror Dazzles material. It is self-adhesive on the back, and you're going to be able to use these to back some of your other dazzles to get an extra shine, or to cut in little strips and use in borders. So these are really super useful in that way. Then we get to the 4" by 9" sheets, and let's look at them one at a time. And I'm actually going to show some of these on a card. So here's that first sheet with those nice doodles on the mirror purple finish. They were used in this card. They were backed on a specialty paper, and it is a rectangle swing card. So really fun look, really simple to use with just backing those dazzles. And then we have these fun little happy birthday hippos. Several little hippos on there. There are borders. It says hippo hugs, happy hippo, hippo hooray, and hippo birthday to you. So that's pretty fun, and here's a way of using those. You just place those on cardstock and then color those in with Spectrum Noir paper. Now you're seeing some other dazzles here too. This is within the set. We'll see these. These are the red Script Dazzles, so long greetings like that. Happy, happy birthday. So that's fun. And lots of extra little borders here. And this is what I was talking about. You can back some of those dazzles in that shiny material, the other Dazzles material. So that's going to be fun. Let me show you another one here. It's in a silver pearl, and this one is a Christmas theme. It's got fun little critters in here in a silver pearl. I think these were released in black or brown before, but now they're in this, and look what you can do with that. Place them on a black cardstock or a black suede, and you really get to make it pop out. And this is a little tag set of those little fun little critters. So I think that's just really fun. You can use that for winter. It doesn't have to be Christmas. Winter goes on for a while. Love you, snow much, warm wishes, hello, and bundle up. So that's a fun look with those dazzles. And then these are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to place them side by side. They have a similar look. One is a blue mirror finish, the other is a pink pearl. And while this says Merry Christmas up at the top, and there are snowflakes, they also can be, you can use them for double duty, because it also says you are one of a kind. So you can mix that with some of the blue ones and get a beautiful look. Let me show you that in a page, because they can also be used for a page. They can be used for so many different things. And I just love that look. That's what you can do with these dazzles. When you have them all in one kit like this, you're going to be able to mix and match them and get gorgeous looks. So let's just look through the rest of these dazzles. A beautiful light blue or teal, a mirror finish with sailboats, set your course, and all kinds of elements on there. This one is a clear glitter. It's a transparent glitter finish. So when you lift these, let me do this with this one here, you can actually see through them just a little bit, but you still have that kind of a yellow, transparent yellow look with that glitter finish. So that's what's nice about this. It's a colored transparent glitter finish, so that's fun for babies. Then we have a Christmas element. So there are going to be a few Christmas in here. You're going to be able to use those when the need comes up. I mean, 1,444 dazzles. You're going to have a lot to last you really throughout the year. This is a copper mirror finish with gold edging. Lots and lots of sentiments on here. Great for all kinds of cards. You are my everything. I love you. You make me smile. May all your wishes come true. Lots there to use. Really love this one. It's a green mirror finish with a gold edging. Adventure, and it's got lots of Timberland sort of images in there for Timberland, for hiking. So nice masculine cards with that. Really beautiful. This is a gold finish with gold edging. This has got lovely lanterns on here. May your Christmas glow with joy. So it really is going to be useful for year round. And these are really fun, little retro trailers in like a teal blue mirror. Little flamingos, banners, lots of fun little elements. Follow your heart on there. That's really fun. We have unicorns, so you've got something for children too, for sure. This is Never Stop Dreaming. There are castles. There are mystical, magical unicorns there. This is something for Halloween. You can wait for Halloween to use this, or just make somebody happy by putting something, a funny little look on a card. So these are really fun, and they're in that black finish, so that's perfect for Halloween. This is a gold glitter finish with kitties. Really adorable kitties with ball yarn there, just for you. Lots of hearts and butterflies, a little cat in a tree, love Mew. This really fun kitties and kittens. Meow, you doing? That's just funny. So we have another one of those transparent glitter finishes. This one has a little pink hue, so you can see through it just a little bit, and that's a nice look. Just covered with butterflies with gold foil edging. And then we have a blue transparent glitter finish. This one's covered with birds, bluebirds with a silver foil edging. That's going to go a long way. These really last a long time. Those fit on so many different cards. And then this is super cute, all in brown, little rover with a ball. Have a ball. Paw made just for you. In dog years, you are still a pup. Cold nose, warm heart, and all the little elements that go with those cute little dogs. This one has little snow globes in gold with gold edging, and those are just gorgeous. They're going to look beautiful on the card. That's what I love about these. So many different finishes and so many different occasions. We have a Happy Easter one here. You're going to be able to use these, like I said, year round. And you know, dazzles are really durable stickers. They're really easy to lift up, like this one. You can just lift them up, you can place them, you can put them back down. They go right where you want them to go, and you can cut them off the edges of your cards even. This has got lots of sentiments on here and those long greetings, which are very popular right now. This is, but first, chocolate. Fun little chocolate bars on gold pearl, and there are always lots of borders that you can use. Great for cards, great for scrapbooking. This is a silver glitter finish with lots more sentiments there. And a green mirror finish. I love that with all of those sort of Zen tangled or Zen doodled flowers. Start each day with a grateful heart. That's got dragonflies too. This one's pretty fun. It's in brown, and these are prickly pear cactuses, I think, or at least some of them are. Lots of different cactuses. It says happy healing, free hugs, howdy, you're looking sharp. So those are pretty fun. And we just have just a few more to go through. We have great party animals, this is called, but it's in this gold mirror finish. There's a lion in a cupcake, lots of little cupcakes, and a nice big hippo with a party hat. So this is really fun for a birthday card, and they make quick and easy birthday cards. You just place them on whatever pattern paper you have, and this nice red is super fun. You and me, you are loved, I love you, to the moon and back. So this is great for Valentine's Day or any other day if you want to show that you love someone. And the last one I'm going to show you here are these pink mirror. It's kind of a very muted pink, but just beautiful mirror with the hummingbirds, flutter and fly. So many different finishes, and all in something you haven't seen before with the Dazzles that are here. 35 in total, 33 of the 4" by 9", including those great Dazzles sheets, which you can use for backing and all sorts of things. You're going to get 2 of those 8 by 9s, and there are so many different ways that you can use them.